Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com. Today we are highlighting our lowering springs for the 2013 and newer Ford Fusion. Introduced in 2013, the Fusion platform has proved to be very popular, and with good reason. Four-door functionality, great looks, great ergonomics, and well, okay handling. This is where we come in with our lowering springs. These will lower the car approximately 7/8 of an inch at all four corners. This means that you still get great drivability around town or going in and out of steep driveways, as well as better handling, better steering response, better braking feel, and you know what, just a more enjoyable car. These genuinely finish off the car the way it should have been. Like the factory pieces, our Steeda springs are progressive. This means that as the suspension compresses, the spring rates get stiffer. Now, that's where the similarities end. We utilize nearly the same rate to start with, but then progress into a stiffer rate. The transition is also smoother into the stiffer rate than the factory springs. This is how we're able to achieve great ride quality, yet improved handling. These can be paired with the factory struts and shocks, but if you want to take things one step further, and we know you do, throw on a set of sway bars, a strut tower brace, and a nice set of aftermarket struts and shocks, and you're going to truly convert your Fusion. These will fit Fusions equipped with 1.5, 1.6, and 2-liter Ecoboost engines in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive trim levels. And for you Fusion Sport guys, we didn't forget about you. We have a specific set of springs available for the Fusion Sport. If you have any questions or comments about these, please post them below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share it with other enthusiasts. If you'd like to learn more about these, be sure to visit us at Steeda.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.